My name is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are learning the concept of percentage. How can we find the percentage of a number by connecting them to the fractions? Let's see. If I want to find the 25% of a number, I can see कि 25% होता कितना है 100% का 1/4 part. And 50% is half of that number, that is 100% का 1/2 part. 100% means जब हम पूरा का पूरा number ले रहे हैं. 50% you will take half of the number and 25% means you will take 1/4 of the number. Suppose I want to find 25% of 800. This is the number. इसका 50% कितना हो जाएगा? Half of this number. 800 का half है 400. This is the 50%. And now if I want to find 25%, वो हो जाएगा 400 का half, that is 200. So this is 25% of 800. Now if I want to find 75%, 75% होता कितना है 3/4, that is 3 multiplied 25%. तो अगर मैं इस नंबर को 3 times करती हूँ, so that will be 75%. So 200 3s are 600. So 75% of 800 would be 600. So in this way you can find the percentage of any number by connecting them to the fractions, which is much more easy way. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.